these are the connections we have to make on the breadboard. Hello, I am S.L. Sangre, working as a lecturer in K.K. Wagh Polytechnic, Nasik. Today I am explaining practical number 4 in this video. The title of this practical is Convert Given Expression to Sum of Product Form using Basic Logic Gates. So this is the circuit diagram is given. This circuit diagram we have to implement on breadboard, and then we have to verify this truth table. So there are 2 steps in this practical. First we have to implement this circuit diagram on breadboard and then verify the truth table. So these are the connections we have to make on the breadboard. I have already mounted the circuit on the breadboard. In this circuit there are 3 inputs, A, second one is B, and third one is C. For simplification purpose I am using color green to the input. Now we have to check the output on LEDs. So we have to check the output at gate number 1, gate number 2, gate number 3 and gate number 4. So we required 4 LEDs. So here are 4 LEDs. First one is a gate 1 output, second one LED shows the gate 2 output, third one shows the gate 3 output, and last red that will show the gate 4 output. Now we have to apply supply to this circuit. In this circuit diagram I am using AND gate and OR gate, 2 ICs, and make the connections as per the diagram on breadboard. Now I am connecting the battery to the circuit. I applied the battery to the circuit. As I am not connecting any input to the ABC, that's why all LEDs are glowing. Now one by one I will apply the input combinations to the circuit. So first combination is 0 0. That means I have to connect this input all to the ground. So A is 0. Suppose I am disconnecting the battery. When I am applying 0 0, then I will apply the battery. B is also 0 and C is also 0. So all these inputs I have to connect to the ground. That means it will make ABC 0 0. So when I am giving 0 0, then what will be the output? I will check the output. So when I am giving 0 0, output are 0 0. So first condition is satisfied. All the gate output is 0 0 0. Now we have to check the second condition, that is A 0, B 0 and C is 1. So here A is connected to ground, that means 0. B is also connected to ground, that means 0. So only C I want to connect to the 1. So it will connect to the positive of the battery. So when I am applying 0 0 1 to the circuit, the output is 0 0 0 at all gate output. So our second condition is also satisfied. Now third condition, that is A is 0, B is 1 and C is 0. So to make A 0, I want to connect this to the ground. Is it okay? Now B is 1, so I have to connect this B to the so A is 0, B is 1 and C is 0. So for A0, B1 and C0, output is 0, 0. So here LEDs are off, that means third condition is also verified. Now next condition is A0, B1, C1. So make the connection as per the input combination. So A is 0 as it is, B is 1. Now I have to connect C. So here A is 0 at ground, B is at plus of power supply, so B is 1 and C is also 1. So for 0, 1, 1 our output is 0, 1, 0, 1. So C, the second output is 1 and 4 gate output is 1. So our next condition is verified. Now next condition is A1, B0, C0. So I have to make the connection first. So A is connected to 1. So I will do the connection as per the requirement. So next condition is A is 1, B is 0 and C is 0. So our LEDs are off. So 1, 0, 0, our all LEDs are off. So this condition is also satisfied. Now next condition is what? A is 1, B is 0 and C is 1. So I have to only just connect C to the 1. So when I am giving A1, B0 and C1, so my output is 0, 0, 1, 1. So for this condition my output from truth table is 0, 0, 1, 1. So this condition is also satisfied. Now next condition is A1, B1 and C 0. So I have to connect B to the 1. And C to 0. So when A is 1, B is 1 and C is 0, my output is 1, 0, 0, 1. So for this condition output is 1, 0, 0, 1. So in this way our next condition is also satisfied. Now last condition A, B, C all are 1 and my output should be 1, 1, 1. That means all LEDs should be glow. So I am applying C at 1. Now see, when I am applying A to 1, B to 1 and C to 1, my all LEDs are glowing. So last condition is also satisfied. So in this way all conditions for this SOP expression are verified. Thank you.